SMD was born from the pioneering spirit of our founder, Dr. Alan Rees. In 1971, he knew that telecommunications were going to revolutionize the world we lived in, and that underwater cables were going to be integral to this transition. Alan and his associates transformed the traditional agricultural plough into the world-renowned subsea cable plough.
Just out of my dining room, I've been able to construct monstrous machines. We started from scratch, designed and built that tractor and plough, all 30 tons of it, in 3 months.
A plough that is still used today to lay and bury vital cables and pipes that connect our world beneath the sea. Alan Rees's inventiveness lives on in the hundreds of SMD staff that work together to deliver 100 ploughs.